Hello guys, this is Creative Mary D. I am so excited about these. Okay, let me tell you what are these in case you can't tell. No, they're not potato chips. No, they are not ready to throw away garbage. It's handmade paper. Yep. That's right guys. Oh my god. So I tried to make handmade paper. I did it with let me take this aside. I used lavender. I put some lavender in the paper. It was in a blender actually. I took the seeds and oh my god, it smells so nice. And I put it in the blender. I wanted the paper to smell nice. I also put calendula. I took it from my tea bag. Yeah, pretty funny. And I also put some stuff from a tea. I had a mix of plants, I don't know, just tea. I think you can grab any type of tea that has a lot of plants and textures. So yeah, these look really nice. See? These look amazing on paper. I mean, oh, I'm gonna make a mess. So I took this. I took the lavender, and I also took some pressed leaves from a plant I had, which was almost dying. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna take the leaves from this plant and I'm going to press it and let it dry so it could live. Yeah. Okay, and I took this. This is like a kitchen paper, or you know, and I shredded to pieces and put it in the blender, mixed with I took some paper from different magazines I had around. I picked the most colorful pages, guys. So if you have something in your home and you want to make handmade paper, pick the colorful pages. I picked blue pages, I picked red, I picked pink. I just picked color because I wanted colorful handmade paper. So after let me grab my chips. After I put in the blender these ingredients, the delicious mix, I put warm water. I don't know if it matters, but I figured to myself that the warm water will moist the rather thick and shiny magazine paper. It was just a personal choice. This is me doing the first time handmade paper. I don't know the process. I didn't know what I was doing. I just tried to make it work. And this is my result. So after I mixed the paper in the blender, I blended pretty well, like make it a really creamy consistency. I kept the paste rather thick. I put it in a bowl with water, and I took um, you know that stuff that you make tea and you sift your and you pour water over it, and that stuff sifts the plants from the cup. So oh my god, I have such a lapsus. I don't know how it's called. So embarrassing. It's a stuff, you know, a filter, something like a filter. And you can also use uh, like a mosquito mesh, you know, that stuff you put in the window so insects don't come. You can use that, and um, try to um, put it and submerge it in the bowl. I will try to tell you. Um, okay, this is the thing that I told you about the tea. I had to struggle to remove it from this in order to make it flat. So this is improvisation, guys. This is improvisation at the ultimate level. I mean, probably the people who are doing this professionally would laugh their ass off watching me, but don't be judging. I am just trying it out. So yeah, I took this and I submerged it in the paste from the bowl from which I blended. So you take all that gooey, mushy stuff from the blender, put it in a bowl with put some water so it would be not a thick paste, and you take this and you just shake it like that and pull it off. And all the stuff that is here, I patted my hands over it so it could just drop the excess water, and then I took it, I flapped it and put it on the paper, and it folded into this exact shape. Of course, I will admit what I tried to do after that. I wanted to have fast handmade paper, that I took my blow dryer. I tried to dry it. No way. So I just have given up and waited until the next day. And the next day I put some heat to work like a radiator over them, and it managed to dry them pretty fast. And this is the result, guys. Okay, I'm so excited. I don't know if this sucks, but I am excited. So of course I didn't press it. I realized that when I put it to air dry, it started to bend and to curl. If I would have pressed like a thick book or press over them and waited for them to dry, I think I would have managed to have paper like. But look at these, guys. You can see the plants. You can see, let me show you. I can see my lavender seeds. I'm so excited. Let me show you. Oh, wait. Look, the lavender seeds. That's amazing. That's just wow. I am so happy. Like me. Oh my god. And look, the calendula. Oh, look, the calendula, the things from the tea. It has a slight greenish earthy tone to it. It's thick. Look, like I could just make air to my face with this. I mean, it's solid, and I'm amazed. I don't know. I didn't expect them to be so pretty. And look at this. Look, it's just, I like this the most. Look, this is like, it's not too curled. It has color on the other side. And look at the feeling of touching handmade paper. Wait. It's amazing. It's just, it's, oh my god, I'm amazed. I'm amazed of how much I love the texture. It's so textured. Look. And it's bendy. I'm not gonna try to bend it too much because I'm afraid, but look at this, guys. Look at these. I mean, you could write a love note on these. You could write a cute message. You could put a picture and gift it to someone. This is amazing. I watched videos of people doing this and I was like, well, handmade paper, whatever. But then I made it and I'm like, I'm fascinated, guys. Look, natural colors. It's natural. I didn't dye it. Diet. And it's wonderful. I'm amazed that with a bit of creativity, you can do this. You can do this, guys. If you have a blender, if you have a waste paper, if you have plants, if you have water, and if you have a sift, you can do this. Oh my god. I'm like a little child. I can't hold it, guys. I'm so excited and I'm so happy to share this with you because I don't know what to do with them. I think I would use them to write something cute on them and give it to friends, or I don't know. I think about wedding invitations, how lovely a wedding invitation would look if you would print stuff on this, and the smell, oh my god. Oh, it smells like garden, it smells like grass, it smells planty, it smells organic, it smells, I just want to sniff it. It's so nice. I mean, we have so much waste in our homes. We throw paper, it's not good. So try to be more economical and use your paper and do this, guys. Don't waste paper. You can have amazing results with just the resources that I've told you. No money involved, no investment, just your time and patience, and I'm still in awe for paper. It's so simple, but it's amazing. I love this. I can't stop touching them. Like, look at them. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I will make some of you excited about trying this. I think it will bring you joy. It definitely brought me joy. So, I wish you could smell this. Until next time, and thank you for watching me. Have a great day. Bye.